Hey, what's going on, everybody? Tonight we're at WINNY and ETHEL'S downtown in Las Vegas in the 100 Shopping Center area. The 100 Theater, which is right behind us, was opened back in 1944. WINNY and ETHEL'S opened up in 2001. So it's an awesome diner. Let's go in and check it out. Place looks amazing. They're not busy. Let's go sit down and see what they got. Let's take a look at their menu.
What if you could substitute it for something else? I'm gonna ask her.
Wow, bottomless coffee, 25 cents. Buy an entree, drink all you want for 25 cents.
David got Salisbury steak last time, and they gave him broccoli instead of peas and carrots. So you can ask her what the vegetable is.
Hi, how are you?
Good. How are you?
Doing great.
If I don't want the horseradish meal. I don't like horseradish. So I'm gonna ask him that. There's a lot of people that don't like horseradish. I don't. I like it on some things. Sometimes it's good. Sometimes it doesn't go good.
It looks like my meatball soup just arrived. I wanted French onion, and they don't have it right now. They're changing their menu up, I guess, but this is going to be very hot, but boy, it looks good. Got some big old meatballs in it.
Look at that.
Yum, yum. We'll let that cool down, and we'll give it a shot here. But that looks really good. Very creamy. Delish.
I think she's doing it.
Yeah. Wow, look at this. Pot roast. Shells and cheese. Another pot roast and fries.
On the pickle, remember the pickle?
Wow, look at this. Amazing, amazing, amazing.
Oh, there's Salisbury too.
Salisbury steak, mashed potatoes. Amazing food. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
What's that? Hey, thanks.
Wow, everything looks amazing. Let's dig in and try it, guys.
Of course. I'll get ready to wait for you. I'll go to the side. So you want to see my potato salad? Smashed potato salad.
Smashed potato salad. Yum.
I thought you would have got it.
Really spicy.
And we got some shoestring fries here. Very, very tiny, tiny. Look at this pot roast sandwich with French dip. How's everything, Janie?
Delicious.
David?
Good.
What do you think, Brandy? Much left, guys, for this pot roast sandwich is the bomb. The bread is really soft. The cheese is really melty. We got some au jus to dip it in. Shoestring fries, which are unusual. I've never really seen them anywhere. And then right here we've got some mac and cheese. This is so creamy. This is really awesome. Turn it level. This is really, really awesome. It's to die for. I highly recommend this place. The food is the bomb. Really, really super good. And everybody seems to be enjoying everything. My wife got the... What'd you get?
So,
Excellent.
could we get an order of mac and cheese to go?
Of course, absolutely.
So good. Plus, I'm going to need to go for me too.
And my wife had the Salisbury steak right there. And that, I guess she just loved it. Awesome, awesome, awesome. And we got everything to go in little brown boxes there and plastic containers. Because that was just like way too much food to eat. But let's take a walk around the place here real quick. And also coming up here at the end, I'll show you some pictures of the 100 Theater back when they opened in 1944, which is right next door across the street. And we're at Maryland and Charleston here in Las Vegas. This is the 100 Shopping Plaza, not too far from downtown, an older part of Las Vegas. So you really got to come check it out. This place is awesome. Let's take a picture of their wall here. And there's the owner there when he was younger. Some pictures of his family. And there's the two owners when they got married. Very amazing. Beautiful place. And they're not busy. And they can seat, it looks like 123 people in here. And one thing I wanted to add, I just found out they just opened up in November of this last year. So November of 2023. It wasn't in 2021 like I thought I seen on their website. So, yeah, very cool, guys. Please like, subscribe, and share. And if you come to Vegas or you're local, you might want to check this out. There'll be a map here at the end so you can see exactly where it's located. Everybody have an awesome day. Later.